This integrated control circuit board is Goodman part number 0130F00005. It's also manufactured under part number PCBBF112S, depending on the manufacturer of the board. This board controls the igniter, the draft inducer, and the blower motor. This circuit board has an LED, which is used for diagnostics, and it has a 3 amp fuse on the control board. If the 3 amp fuse is blowing, most likely your issue is external to the board in the 24 volt circuit. You could have a grounded wire or a bad coil on the air conditioner or something like that. It's typically, we do not see that issue when there's a problem with this board. Common failures we do see with the board are the contacts for the blower motor failing, or the contacts that turn on the hot surface igniter, or the draft inducer failing. You will usually get a code that tells you that which component is not actually operating. When those components fail due to a board issue, you will usually get a code that tells you there is a failure in that particular component. It could be telling you that the component's bad, or it could be telling you that the board is bad. You need to test with a voltmeter and see if you're actually getting power to the component to see if it's a component failure or a board failure. On the left side of the board, you will notice terminals that are designated heat, cool, and park. The park terminals are for wires that are not used during the operation of the furnace. The blower motor is typically a 4-speed blower motor. You run 1 speed on heat, a little faster speed runs on cooling, and you have 2 speeds that are not used. So that's where these wires, the spare wires, are connected to the park terminals. If you want to adjust the speed of the blower motor, it is just a matter of changing wires to either the heat terminal or the cool terminal, depending on if you need the speed adjusted in the heating mode or the cooling mode. When changing this board out, we recommend leaving the wires connected to the old board. Remove the old board and install the new board. Change the Molex connector and then change 1 wire at a time. Make sure the wires go back on the same terminal designation as they were on the old board. The terminals may be in a different location, but the designations will be the same. If you are not sure if this is the board for your application, feel free to give us a call at 877-821-8770 or send an email to parts@shortyshvac.com. We have people on staff that can help you identify the part that you need. What we will need from this Goodman or Janitrol furnace is a model number, and that should be all we need to look this up for you.